Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbud SOUNDCORE C30i. And firstly, we need to add it to the gesture, because by default your gesture do not use volume control. So open the application and right here click on your earbuds. Then go to the controls and now decide you wanna use the left one or right one earbuds, or you can use all of this on the left one or just only on the right one. It's up to you, but I'm going to use different. For the left earbud, for the press and hold, because you can add it for the double press, triple press and press and hold. I'm going to use press and hold, so I click on it and then I select volume down for the left earbud and for the right one volume up. And now let's check it. I remove it. Now play some song, let's say this one. So to increase the volume you need to press and hold at your right earbud if you set it as me. So I press and hold it, and as you can see at this widget I increase the volume. But you need all the time press and hold. And to lower it, you need to press and hold at your left earbud. And as you can see on this widget, it works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!